Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing essentials: domain access, Cloudflare account, and server credentials. Add your domain to Cloudflare and verify that DNS records match your origin. Once added, update your registrar to the Cloudflare name servers they gave you and wait for propagation. This hands Cloudflare DNS control and enables Edge SSL. Make sure you don't remove records that point to mail or subdomains. This first step puts Cloudflare between users and your server, so you can issue and manage certificates securely. Now generate a Cloudflare origin certificate. This is for encrypting traffic between Cloudflare and your server. In the dashboard, select SSL/TLS, then Origin Server, and create a certificate. Choose the validity you want and save both the certificate and private key in a secure location. Next, install them on your Origin web server. Update your Apache vhost or Nginx server block, point to the new cert and key, and restart the server. Make sure your site still responds over HTTPS from the origin before changing modes. Finish by setting SSL/TLS mode to full strict so Cloudflare verifies your origin certificate. This protects end-to-origin encryption. Enable always use HTTPS and automatic HTTPS rewrites to reduce mixed content and enforce TLS 2 or higher for modern security. Purge Cloudflare cache and test your domain with an SSL checker and by visiting pages. If something breaks, check the origin certificate installation and that Cloudflare's mode matches it. If errors persist,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.